Now, when it comes to DevOps and tools related to DevOps, there are multiple tools that are in the market. So why Jenkins, and how does Jenkins differentiate itself from other applications or products related to DevOps? Let's quickly look at, the one of the important benefit of Jenkins is it's open source, and you will be easily able to download and configure Jenkins for your team on an on-premise secure location. And it is, as I said, it being open source and platform agnostic, the Jenkins can run on any most of the common operating systems such as Windows, Mac, Linux, making it easy to move around operating systems. And also, Jenkins has a very good marketplace for plugins for most of the latest technologies and cloud environments, which will help you to quickly set up CI/CD pipelines, plugins, notifications for the team, instead of spending time on writing scripts and developing custom plugins. So this makes learning Jenkins an advantage in your journey towards becoming a DevOps engineer, or basically understanding or implementing CI/CD processes in your team.